You double check it?
What are you talking about? Double check it.
Covesville?
Yes, it said
Virginia.
Covesville. Yes.
And what time?
8:29.
8:29. 8:29 sunset, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're at 8:41, but it's military time. Oh yeah, you can see my time. Can you guys see my time? I'm pretty sure you can. It's 8:41. That don't look like the sun setting. It actually looks like it's rising. And that looks very suspicious right there, to say the least. Tell me this doesn't look very suspicious. Very suspicious. Wouldn't you say that would look like a dragon's wing? Wow. Wow. Oh my word. Look at that. Babe, I'm making a video, please. Can we try in the bodily releases? You can always give me a heads up and I can pause it, sweetie. Thank you. Sorry for interfering with our dinner. This is absolutely amazing, babe. Imagine if it was like that on the other side. Because it's come down, out, in, out. The wings. The wings. I want to know what the flip is that. Anybody got any ideas? Because this definitely looks like it's rising at 8:44 at night. And you got that on the horizon. That definitely is suspicious. Wow. It's a beam. Look at the pattern. See? So there's no way this is the sun, and it's 8:40, so there's no way that could be the sun. This is coming up, this is going down. Nope, they're both coming out, actually. This one's coming up this way. This one's going that way. That's tense. So this right here is this right here. So this is this. This is this. And right there is right there. So all right here is this. And that, my friends, is our totem pole. And look it even has a little tail. Look at that. My ears are ringing so bad. They remind me of Dr. Seuss, all his little critters that he used to depict in his drawings. They have this humorous look to them. I don't find it funny, but I guess they do. Wow. That ain't right. That's all we were here looking for. Everything else just popped out. I just wanted to get the sunset. I didn't know it was swarmed. See? Right here is right here. And you can see it's a freaking red ball right there. You can also see it on this. Plus, it can't be the sun because the sun set half an hour ago. Damn, dude. That's for real right there. You can see him. He looked like a parasite.